Hey, this is alright. We're here at the Hilton Garden in Cary. Now let's wait. I'm putting the camera down. There's this person here. Oh, there's the hallways of the fitness center and pool. I'll show you the pool a little bit. I'm not a guest here, but this is what the pool looks like. I don't think I can go here since with that card, the key card reader. Oh my goodness. For the next one? I think I'm ready for the next one. We got Thyssenkrupp elevators that we're gonna ride. Okay, okay. Barely lights up. See which one will come. Yes it is. It just barely lights up after all. Look at the whites. Look. There's not enough whites here. And I think these are from the early 2010s, I'm sure. Oh, there's a laundry room. And one of them just arrived. Okay. 6. That's obnoxious.
Why?
The door. I think it's a hydraulic. See? 2011. Yeah, it's 6. Look at these abs. And now there's a view outside. Oh, that's a double tree over there, which we'll go in a moment. Let's do a caviar this thing. These are fixtures. Stopping on 4. Here on 1.
She didn't go over there now? No, she didn't want to yet.
So, let's go.
She usually can let us know. Okay. Okay, I see what you're saying. So, Leanne drops her off.
There it goes. That's it.